friends. In this class we are going to learn about relations and type of relations. So relation and type of relations, relation concepts already you studied in 11th standard. So just we are going to recollect the same concept only. So relations represented by the symbol R. So to define the concept of relation, first we take one non-empty set. So let A be non-empty set. Non-empty set means we have some elements in the set. So I will take A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So by using this set, I am going to define the concept of relation. Actually, relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Already you know very well the meaning of Cartesian product. So whereas Cartesian product means A cross A. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and again A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So whereas Cartesian product means A cross A. That means 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. We took all the elements in the Cartesian product. Cartesian product means from the first step we have to take all elements and each element is mapping to the each element of the second set. So here in set A we have the elements 1, 2, 3. That is the set A. Again A cross A means I will take another one set, that is also the same set 1, 2, 3. So 1 is mapping to 1, that is 1, 1. Then 1 is mapping to 2. Similarly 1 is mapping to 3. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Similarly we can write it as 2 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3. Then 3 is mapping to 1, 3 is mapping to 2, 3 is mapping to 3. So this is called Cartesian product. In the Cartesian product, we can define the concept of relation. Relation is subset of Cartesian product. Cartesian product. That means I will take first relation R1 is equal to, from the Cartesian product we can take any elements. First I will take 1, 1, 1, 2. We can take any elements from the Cartesian product 3, 3. So this is also called relation. This is the subset of the Cartesian product A cross A. Subset means all elements are taken from A cross A only. So this is called relation. So relation is subset of Cartesian product. Suppose if we take the Cartesian product A cross A, in the Cartesian product we can say that this Cartesian product is also a relation. But this concept we will study later. So similarly I will take another one relation R2 is equal to, we can take 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. This is also one type of relation. So we can take like this R1, R2, R3. Next, we are going to study the different types of relations. The different types of relations, first one is empty relation. Empty relation. Empty relation is like empty set. For example, in 11th we studied empty set means a set which has no elements, then the set is called empty set. Similarly, in the relation, if there is no elements, then this relation is called empty relation. Next, here we can write it as by using empty set. Next, universal relation. Universal relation. Universal relation is R is equal to A cross A. Whereas A cross A means in the universal relation we will take all elements of the Cartesian product. So whereas this A cross A is called the universal relation. In the universal relation means we should take all the elements in the relation. So this is called universal relation. We can write it as this is also relation only.